In a cosmos filled with darkness, there is light. We shape our world with it. Homes, streets, phones, radios. Yet within each being lies a vast cosmic history. A journey that defines the very nature of the oldest story ever told. A story we often take for granted. This seemingly ordinary dance of ghostly particles hides a vast and ancient legacy. A story we can unravel through the lens of a telescope in our front yards. A time machine surfing the very fabric of time and space. This is the oldest story ever told. The moon, our closest celestial neighbor, its cyclical light a beacon rising amidst the darkened cosmic sea. Within its soft glow, the first chapter of our story unravels. One we'll trace with the Celestron Edge HD8 on a CGEM 2 mount. A quick alignment with the stars, and away we go. Our cosmic neighbor seems serene, but look closer. Craters and vast plains scar its surface, relics of a violent past filled with lava and impacts. But that's not why we're here. See, while the moon's light seems to be of the moment, it's actually old, a little over a second old, because light traveling at 186,000 miles per second still needs time to cross the incredible distance between the Earth and moon. The moon is simply reflecting light that already exists though. The photons we see are far, far older. Their journey began in a place of unimaginable power, the fiery heart of our sun. And the age of the moonlight just might surprise you. The sun, the birthplace of daylight, of ethereal warmth we feel on our skin. It bathes our world with incredible amounts of energy, the fuel for life itself. Plants thrive on it, animals feed on those plants, and we depend on both. But how old is that light? In the sun's core, electrons dance at unimaginable speeds, driven by the immense heat and pressure of a stellar furnace. When atoms collide, they fuse, electrons shifting to create new elements, and explosive bursts of energy are unleashed as photons, the building blocks of light. Every ray of sunshine bathing your skin began its 93 million mile journey to Earth over 8 minutes ago. But a photon's true journey began long before, trapped for anywhere from 10,000 to 170,000 years within the sun's dense core before escaping. But what happens when we take a look further out at suns other than our own? The night sky shimmers with countless pinpricks of light. Constellations paint ancient stories across its expanse. Orion the Hunter, the Big Dipper, the Pleiades. But this tapestry of stories is woven with ghostly threads. Outside our solar system, distances become so vast that light itself becomes our measure. Light years, each roughly 6 trillion miles. Let's travel to a star. This is Mizar, the second star in the Big Dipper's handle, once a test of eyesight. If you look closely, you may see Alcor, its companion. You're viewing these stars as they were 82 years ago, as they're 82 light years away. The Pleiades, inspiration for the Subaru logo, 444 years back in time. Yet while these stars all lie within our own galaxy, the Milky Way, M13 is a magnificent exception. It rests 25,000 light years away and orbits our galaxy. But now, our photon story becomes truly mind-blowing. If you look into the northern sky from August to April, you may see a small smudge, a fingerprint across the glossy darkness. That smudge is our closest galactic neighbor, Andromeda. Unlike any star in the sky, however, it's incredibly far away, about 2.5 million light years, or 15 quintillion miles. The light you're viewing when you look at this smudge of cosmic gas, dust, rock, and stars originally set forth on its voyage to Earth when the first tools ever created by human ancestors took shape. The light from two more magnificent galaxies, M81 and M82, is roughly 12 million years old. This means that when the newly discovered Danuvius ape was roaming the Earth, perhaps the earliest ancestor to bipedal apes, hominids, and humans, the light from Bode's galaxy began its journey. Yet, these galaxies, parts of galactic groups and superclusters, are mere neighbors next door, in the grand scale of the cosmos. Let's take a step back for a moment. Look at the night sky again. I'll let you in on a little secret. There's a trickster among these stars. Among the familiar patterns, a single speck stands out. It looks rather unremarkable, but don't be fooled. This is a quasar, 3C273. Forget traveling hundreds, thousands, or millions of light years. This quasar resides a staggering 2.4 billion light years from Earth, roughly 14 sextillion miles. This light began its journey when the first photosynthetic organisms were forever changing the Earth's atmosphere by dramatically increasing oxygen levels. But quasars aren't just distant, they're frighteningly mysterious. Deep in a quasar's heart rages a supermassive black hole, a monstrous devourer of matter so powerful not even light can escape. This cosmic beast unleashes a torrent of energy, outshining entire galaxies. The light of this quasar gives astronomers a glimpse into the turbulent youth of the cosmos. Back on Earth, we hold a newfound, humbled understanding of our place on this pale blue dot, as Carl Sagan so eloquently described it. Our journey has taken us 2.4 billion years into the past, and all it required was gazing up at the vast, unending sky. It's a testament to the power of the oldest story ever told, a story accessible right here in our own backyard. With a telescope like my Celestron, our eyes become surfers upon time. We become not just observers, but explorers on this journey of light. Light that has always been humanity's guide through its darkest nights and its most brilliant triumphs. Perhaps it has even been our mentor, illuminating our understanding of what it means to exist and explore. For even across the vast and empty cosmos, light always finds its way to us, and in its warmth, we find the spark of our own curiosity and connection to the universe.